Did you know that papaya leaf can be turned into a powerful natural powder that you can use for your hair, skin, and wellness? In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make your papaya leaf powder at home and how to use it. To make this papaya leaf powder, I'll start by making use of fresh papaya leaf. Start by washing the papaya leaf thoroughly to remove dating. When you're done washing it, make sure that you remove all the water and spread it out to dry. You can air dry this indoor for at least 5 days. So when you notice that the papaya leaf is fully dried, you can add it into the blender and blend into a fine powder. It has a lot of health benefits. It can be used to make your herbal tea, use it for your skin care, hair care, so many other benefits. So if you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments, have you tried papaya leaf powder?